Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.27 Input Base Substrate Side Left Price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and/or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, base is the location, side left is the position. Substrate refers to the material used as a basic part of the base component. Use the glossary on the table's definitions abbreviation sheet to find the definition. The substrate for a typical cabinet base consists of 6 sides: the top, front, left side, right side, bottom, and back. The sequence the positions are listed is deliberate. In all uses, the sequence is followed. Only 5 of the 6 substrate panels are included in the detail table on the 1 BSE S1 cost workup sheet. The substrate side left panel is row 207 on the 1 BSE S1 cost workup sheet. For this pedestal instruction example, the base component substrate material is melamine. Enter $38 per sheet for 3/4 inch thick melamine for side left in cell 207. When the price is entered in cell T207, the total material cost, $5.95 for that piece of material, is calculated in cell X207. If a mistake is made or an entry is missed, they can be corrected at any point except while a macro is running. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.27 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.28.